Hey guys, it's me, Marco, the American Lemko here. We are at the Lemko Vatra in Ługi. Let's check it out. So on the left over here we have the Lemko group Lastivachka practicing before they get on stage. So Ługi compared to Gdynia and Machalio, I guess you could say it's a smaller Vatra, but it's still cool because you know what, everything's here, everything's like, it's smaller, but everything is all close and nearby each other, so it's easy to find people. It's a good time. We have some people playing volleyball. Of course, you can do some shopping over here. If you're hungry, get some ice cream or gofre, popcorn. And over here behind me, if it's a little bit warm out today, like today is right now, people can come out here, just go in the lake, cool off a little bit, play some, water volleyball. Good time. Okay guys, so we did take a little bit break from the Vatra because it was pouring down like crazy for a while. But the sun's back out, it stopped raining, and the concert's back on. So this is how it's looking like so far. So see, it takes a lot more than just a little rain to scatter us Lemkos. So, and here next to me is my brother Olesh. Olesh, say hi.
Hello.
What do we got over here, Olesh?
Because at times in Vatra you get tired, to keep yourself re-energized, I recommend a good kofola. A good Czechoslovak drink. You can buy in a gas station or wherever. So if you ever had Vatra, you need something to drink, I highly recommend the kofola.
Right, and I must say that kofola is an unofficial sponsor of the American Lemko YouTube channel and Instagram page.
For now.
For now. So one thing I noticed over here, that here in Ługi, or also in the Vatra in Gdynia or Machalio, I believe, is that they add, when you order beer, you can also add sok, or like some kind of syrup to the beer. Let's give it a go. Let's try it out. As it, it hits the spot. Yep, there's a Vatra. Check.